if you're an obese person and want to know how to get rid of the excess belly fat, how to get rid of the excess weight of your body, then this is the right video you're watching, because I'm going to tell you 12 yoga poses by which you can achieve all these things. If you're watching me for the first time, I'm Pragya. I make videos related to lifestyle, DIYs and hacks. Please consider subscribing and hit on the bell icon. So I'm considering you as a beginner, and before even telling you the 12 poses, there are the few points which you really need to keep in mind even before starting the yoga poses. So these are the few points you need to keep in mind. Yoga is done in the empty stomach. Number 2, don't do it on the hard surface. If you're doing it on carpet, that's completely fine, but if you don't even have a yoga mat, don't worry. Just use a bed sheet or a blanket, make it in the shape of yoga mat and use it. Number 3, whenever you feel thirsty between the yoga, sip water. Don't worry, it's completely fine. Before switching to the next yoga pose, always take a rest of 30 seconds. So that was the point number 4. Point number 5, do it very mindfully and carefully, and always concentrate on your breathing while doing yoga. Now we will do the whole session within 45 minutes, and if you're a beginner, go slowly. I mean, just do all the poses only 10 times, and with the days you can increase your repetition. Like on the second day you can do it for 15 to 20 times all the poses, and like this you can increase. Don't increase more than 50 because that will go crazy. Now I will show you all the yoga poses. last video, I have shared my experience how I came back into the exercising, and if you're a beginner or if you have taken a break of long time in the exercising, that video is just for you because I have shared my experience and the difficulties I faced and how I came over it. So make sure to check that out. And I hope you really enjoyed this video, and if yes, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Write in the comment section yes if you want to see the more such workout routine or more such workout videos. Share it with your friends and family because that can be a really helpful video for everybody. Don't forget to subscribe, hit on the bell icon, and I will see you guys in my next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.